We're here at Fivefold Studios, which is a 10,000 square foot unit, which comprises of a very large green screen here, where we plan to do some fairly advanced real-time compositing techniques, as well as in-camera VFX for virtual production and for car process work. The relationship with Media Cymru has allowed us to incorporate a space for R&D and innovation, and also a location for training and education. Through the R&D, through the innovation, we hope to create a destination here in Wales which will attract not just international productions to come here and to make their content here in Wales, but also to nurture and encourage the local creative community to pick Wales as their destination for making and telling their stories. It's so vital that the Welsh creative sector is investing in R&D and investing in innovation. It makes all the difference because it makes it the destination where people want to come to tell their stories and to be creative.